Coming back to this, what they are asking the third question, using the pre-populated response and exhibit 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Update, you have to use 1, 2 and 3, you have to update the statement of cash flow. Okay, we have done in first, we have done something, okay. We have done, for the first case, we have done so much. In that, we have what we have done wherever it is possible. We have put the investing activities is there, is right. Here we are talking about, we will take this whenever we need. Okay, whenever we need, we will take those things into consideration. We also take into consideration how much is the amount we have paid here. Is that anything which is related to the statement of cash flow with respect to cash inflow and outflow, we will take.
Sir, in the consolidation question in the exam, we will always get a spreadsheet?
100%.
Okay. And also another question.
Huh?
You said in the exam it's better to start with the ethics question, right?
Yes.
And then we do consolidation because it's 30 marks.
Yes.
Okay.
Ethics, we can do it very fast. We have to see. We should see what are the questions which are easy to us. What are the questions we can do it with our own explanation, and where we can save more time.
And do them first. Okay.
Okay, do that. Now, what is the question for Exhibit 2 says? Exhibit 2 says that the group consolidated financial statements have correctly completed the financial accountant, with the exception of the consolidated statement of cash flow. The financial accountant began to draft the statement of cash flow, but has not taken yet into account the additional 30% share. He has not taken 30% share regarding asset acquisitions and shares issues. Nothing he has taken for the 30%. We have to, whatever is happening, 30% we have to take. There are also some errors. There are some errors. The draft extracts has been included in the spreadsheet response option. Floor has correctly consolidated 1st July. The sugar also purchased various assets during the year. No disposals or impairments of intangible assets during the year, but there is an amortization of how much? 3.5 million has been deducted from the profit from operation. They have deducted from the profit from operation. It is a non-cash expense. What you have to do? We have to add it to the cash flow. Are you clear about this? Okay, we have that. But make it a point. Make it a point. Okay, well, how much is there? 3.5 million. 3.5. Are we going to use operating activities? We have to make it sure. If we are doing operating activities, we have to do. What they have mentioned only, see the thing. What they have mentioned investing activities, they have mentioned financing activities. Is that they have mentioned investing, they have not mentioned operating activities. Okay, then we should not take operating activities. Okay, we should not take operating activities. Next, the only additions to property, plant, equipment. Property, plant and equipment comes where? In the investing activities. The only addition in the property, plant, equipment which has carrying amount of how much? 6.37. Is it 6.37? This was sold at a loss of how much? 2 million. Is that this has sold at a loss of how much? 2 million. The financial accountant included the loss on disposal on plant and machinery as a cash outflow under investing activities. They have sold the plant and the group disposed of. The disposed of plant and machinery, how much? 6.37. And some loss has been deducted. Is that deducted? Loss on disposal deducted. Is that they was sold at a loss on disposal. The financial accountant included the loss. Now what we have to do this? We have to deduct that amount. We have to deduct that amount as such. How much is there? 2,000 is there. Okay, 2,000 is there. Now 2,000 is there. How much they have added? They have purchased how much? They have disposed of how much? They have disposed of how much? 637. If they have disposed of, it is a cash inflow or outflow? It is a cash inflow or outflow? It is a cash inflow or outflow? That you have sold a plant and machinery.
Inflow.
Inflow. Here I am writing this. You have to write separately. Okay, you have to write separately. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. I will write here. Okay, it will make sense. Okay, I am putting this in the C. Okay, this is the draft. This is the draft cash flow statement. Is it? I need this is in Excel. Okay, this is in Excel. It is a big one. Okay, it is a big one. Okay, it is a big one. You put it like this. Okay, the last column will be the total. What are the class? First column is going to be the particulars. Okay, you will have the given draft. Okay, what is given in the question? You have different columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the first one? They are talking about the first one is the property, plant and equipment. It is the write down. It is the cash flow from investing. Is that investing activities? Okay, write down full. Property, plant and equipment. How much they have mentioned? 2,000. How much they have sold it? They have sold it for how much? 6,370. This is the cash inflow they got it. Is that 2,000 minus 2,000 is given here minus 2,000. How much is there? 6,300. How much you will get? 4,370. Are you clear about this?
Yeah, clear.
Next, we have paid cash for cash consideration. How much we have paid cash consideration? We have calculated cash consideration. How much is there? 1,802. It is there. Here it is there. Cash consideration in working in question number B. We have calculated this one. 1802. We have paid cash, net cash paid. We have done this.
Yes. Yes, sir, we did.
Okay. Next, that we have paid cash. Okay, we have paid cash. You put in any one of the columns. Okay, we have paid cash. 1.802. 1.802. Okay, 1.80. Anything else? Slowly, nothing is there. You have to be very, very clear. Now, okay, now, anything, just let me know. Anything we have done. Anything we have done with respect to each and everything we have to make sure. Now this is what happens. We are not going to take 2 million. It comes in the included in the loss of disposal 2 million. They have shown it as a 2 million. We have taken that 2 million and we have made the correction. We have made the correction as a sugar. Are you clear about this? 1 minute. This is 1. This is 1 second. How many paragraphs we have done? 4. Okay, 4. Don't get 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. And this is 10. This is 10. Okay. We are not taking operating activities. We are taking only financing and investing activities. We have done with respect to the point number 8. Okay, point number 8. Point number 9. What is given? Read point number 9.
Sugar co-purchased 25% equity interest in butter.
In how much they have paid
For
cash?
5 million.
5 million. It is cash outflow. It is a cash outflow. Okay, cash outflow. Is it purchase? Okay, now 1 second. Purchase of butter. Okay, purchase of butter. Okay, cash paid. How much they have paid cash? 5 million. You can write in any of the relevant ones. Okay, how much it is there? 5 million. Is right? This is also minus. This is also minus. This is also minus. Any doubt anywhere you ask me. Okay, any doubt anywhere you ask me. Is it okay? Next. That is point number 1 done. Point number 1 is done. Anything with respect to point number 10? In addition to the shares issued to purchase flour, Sugar issued some ordinary shares for cash. How much they have issued for cash? 1 share for cash during the year. The financial accountant was waiting for confirmation of the value of the shares issued for cash, so included the nominal value of the shares in the draft. How much they have included nominal value of the shares? They have included how much in the nominal value of the shares? This we have done. What is in the financing activities? In the financing activities, how much is this? They say proceeds from issue of shares. How much is there? 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Now what they said? What they have said? Just read this one. How much they have paid? In addition to that, okay, in addition to that, the shares issued. See the relations with respect to the purchase of the butter. Anywhere it is given. It will be there somewhere. It has to be there. Okay. It has to be there. 1 second. Now, how much is there? See the financial statements. See the financial statements. Can we get the information with respect to the butter?
Sorry, excuse me.
Can we get the information with respect to the butter? Consolidated statement of as on June 30th. Okay. You have the ordinary share capital 23 and 20. Who's 1 second? Is it right? This is the draft consolidated. 1 second. Draft consolidated of statement of cash flows. Sugar group. Okay, sugar group. This is with respect to the sugar group. Just have a look on this. Can we get anything from here? Opening equity is how much? This is how much it is their opening?
20,000.
No, 20 plus 18. 20 plus 18. How much is there? 38. How much is the closing? 56. Is it there? How much is the opening? Opening is 38. Closing is how much? 56. How much we have issued shares? You remember 9 million? We have remembered 9 million. How much we have issued shares? We have issued 9 million. Okay. I am putting this in the working. Okay. I will put this in the working. Here only I will put working 2. Okay. Working 2 with respect to the share capital. Simple one. Okay. They are asking you share capital. Closing balance is how much? Closing balance. Closing balance. Each and everything I am writing separately. Okay. Share capital is how much? Share capital is 23,000. Okay, and OCE is how much? Other component of OCE is how much? 33,600. If you take into consideration 56,600. Okay, now from this, what you have to take? You have to take the opening balance. We have to take the opening balance. Opening balance is how much? Share capital is 20,000 and OC is how much? 18,000. If you remove this, how much will be there? 38,000. Difference will be how much? 600. Point. Okay, point. How much? 60. It comes to 8. It comes to 28,600. 28 or 18? 18,600. Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
How much we have? We have issued shares. Issued shares. How much issued shares to Israel? How much is there? We have done 9 million. Okay, we have done 9 million. How much it will come? It will come 9.6. This is the
Issued shares.
cash proceeds from shares. Is it? Cash proceeds from shares. Okay? Cash proceeds from shares. Proceeds from issue of shares. How much is there? Proceeds from issue of shares. Okay? Proceeds from issue of shares is how much? It is going to be how much? Now, how much already they have taken? How much they have taken already? They have shown it already how much? 1.5. Is that given? Draft is how much? Draft is 1.5. What is the balance? Balance is 8.1. Total is 9.6. Is that total is 9.6. In the total, we have to put 9.6. And the additional how much is there? 8.1. Are you clear about this? Slowly, it will take time to absorb the things. It will not first time, unless you once you do the second time, you will understand. With recordings will be there with you, you will understand very clearly. Okay, very clearly. Are you okay? Now.
Yes, sir.
Now, what we have done these two. Okay, we have to reconcile everything. We have to reconcile everything as well. Intangible assets. How much is the intangible assets? How much is the intangible assets? Opening is how much? Closing is how much? 33,456. Opening is how much? 15,865. Okay, we have to see. Now I am doing working 3. Okay, working 3. This is with respect to working 2. Okay, this is with respect to, I will write here. This is with respect to working 2. Next, working 3. Is it right? We are talking about what? We are talking about intangible assets. Intangible assets. How much is the intangible assets? First start with the closing balance. Okay, first start with the closing balance. Closing balance is how much? Intangible asset 33,456 minus opening balance. Okay, minus opening balance. Opening balance is how much? 15,865. Okay, 15,865. Now, anything we have, just check. There is a amortization is there. It is given. Have you covered this? In the point number 1. In the point number 1. Where is that? No. Where is that? Yes. In the point number 6. 6? No. In the point number 7. See, there are no disposals or impairment of intangible assets during the year. But amortization of how much? 3.5. Either amortization of 3.5 has been deducted. They have already deducted from the operating activity. In the operating activities, we have to add. In intangible assets, we have to deduct. Either we are not doing operating activities here. Either we are not doing operating activities here. Here, what we have to do? Minus impairment. Okay, minus. Which one? I am writing this. This is with respect to which point? Point number 7. Okay, it is point number 7. Yes, it is point number 7. How much is the impairment? Impairment is 3.5. 3,500. Okay, now anything else? Check. Goodwill is there. Goodwill is there. How much is the goodwill? Goodwill already calculated. 2.259. Is that 2.259? Goodwill is there. Okay. Next. Anything is there? Read. Check. Slowly check. Check one by one. Okay, one by one. See, here intangible assets is there. Point number 2. How much is the intangible assets are there? Point number 2. Intangible assets is there. How much is there? Licenses and patents. How much is there? 6,781. It is there?
Yes.
Okay. license and patents on acquisition of sugar company. How much is there? It is 6781. Is it? It is 6781. Now, anything related to intangible, we have seen. Now you can assume what is the thing. You have taken the closing balance, we have taken the opening balance. There is an impairment of 3.5. There is a goodwill of 2.259, and there is a in that one there is a, how much is there? The carrying amount of floor company consists of net assets. In the net assets, how much is the intangible assets? Intangible assets of 6781. If you take all the things, is it right? If you take all the things, how much is the difference you will get? Check.
So 33,456 minus 15,865
Yes.
minus 3,500.
33,456 minus 15,865 minus 3500 2259 6781.
23,131.
How much?
23,131.
33. Closing balance is how much? Closing balance is closing. 1 second. It is how much? 1 second. 1 day. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 33,456 minus 15,865 minus plus minus. Okay, fine. 1 second. 1 second. It comes to how much? It comes to 7,591. 7,591. 1 minute. Little bit. 2259 6781. No. 1 second. 17591 plus 3500 minus 2259 minus 6781. It should be like this. It should be like this. It should be like this. 1 minute. Plus 3500 minus, we have to reconcile now. 1 minute. I will do it in the T shape also. Okay, that will be very, very clear for us. Okay, and 6781. It comes to how much? 12051. Listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully. This is a T shape. Okay, T shape. Is it? Closing balance is how much? Closing balance is 33456. Opening balance is how much? 15,865. Impairment is how much? 3500. Okay, impairment is, it will reduce the asset. Okay, goodwill is how much? 2259. On purchase, how much you got it? 6781. Is a 6781. How much is, which side is more? Which side is more? Credit side is more. 3500 plus 33456. How much is there? 36956. Is that 36956? Minus, okay? How much is there? 15,865 plus 2259 plus 6781 minus 36956. It comes to how much? It comes to 12051. This is the cash paid. You can do like this, or you can do like now. I will make a correction here. You have to we have to make the correction here. 1 second. Now we have to, whichever you find convenient, you can do. Okay, we can do. How much is there? 3500. Goodwill is how much? 2259. And how much is there? 6781. The difference is going to be, you remove this one. Okay, you remove this one. You remove 15865. It comes to how much? 1205. This is the cash paid for goodwill. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much is the 12051? Is that 12051? Where is that? Where is that? If you take that 12051, it is, we have to show in where? We have to show in the investing activities. Okay, cash paid. We have to show in the cash paid. Intangible asset. Okay, how much is there? This is working 3. Okay, working 3, 12051. Is it 12051? It is minus in the total column 12051. Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Next. We have taken this one. Property, plant and equipment we have taken. If you want to do property, plant, equipment, we have to do closing balance is how much? See the thing, just for your confirmation I will do it. Is that closing balance is how much? Closing balance is 55. You put it in a T form, it will be easy for us. Okay, you put it in the T form, it will be easy for us. Is it? It is 50. Already we have done. Okay, already we have done. How much is there? 30. Already we have done property, plant and equipment. Is that property, plant, equipment 6370 and 2 million. Okay, 6370. Now we have done this. We have done property, equity, NCI. We have done. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else we have to do? Make it sure. Okay. Did not pay dividend. Sugar did not pay any dividend during the year. They have not paid any dividend during the year. One by one we have to work it out. Okay, first point, fine. Second one is how much? Intangible property, cash and cash equivalents, other non-current assets. Carrying amount is how much? Fair value. Fine. Goodwill, fine. Point number 5 is okay. Consolidation, fine. Point number 7, 3.5 we have taken. 6.372 we have taken. They have purchased 25% equity. 5 million is the cash. Did not pay dividend during the year. In addition to the shares, Some ordinary shares we have taken. Confirmation of the financial accountant was waiting for confirmation. Fine. Here, anything they have said 1, 2, 3 only. They didn't say about the pension. They only say 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3 are related to this. That's all. They have not mentioned anything with respect to the. Check. 6370, cash 5000, 1, 2, 3. Is it right? Net cash used in investing activities. How much is that draft? Fine. Okay, net cash used in the investing activities. Fine. Okay. Shares we have taken 1.5 and this one. Net cash. Here they have mentioned this. Net cash used in as per the draft. Okay, as per the draft. Net cash used. It is how much? 2000. Okay, net cash used. As per the draft we are taking. We are not doing anything else. Okay, here also net cash generated draft. Okay, draft is how much? Net cash from financing. How much is there? 1500. Draft is more than draft. The final total amount is important. Okay, final total amount is important. I have to check 4310 1 5000 12051 9600. Okay, 9600. Anywhere we have to think about the dividends. Check. We have done. See, 1 second. We have to reconcile each and everything. Okay, we have to reconcile each and everything. Okay, see the thing. NCI. Just take NCI into consideration. NCI. Okay, working. We have to do NCI also. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay, where we have to. I can write it. I want to write somewhere here. Okay, fine. I will write here. We need this much only. Okay, NCI. It is working 5. Okay, you put it in a T form. That will be more easy for us. Okay, now NCI is a liability. How much is the opening balance? Okay, brought forward. It is a liability. Opening balance is how much? How much is the opening balance of NCI? Opening balance of NCI is 12,914. Opening balance. Is it right? Closing balance. Is it how much is the closing balance? Closing balance is 3152. Okay, 3152. Okay, now we have calculated 11.4. Okay, we have calculated 11.4 NCI. Is that NCI at acquisition? Is it where we have calculated that? Here, fair value of NCI at acquisition, point number B. Okay, point number B. Okay, point B. Is it 30% fair value? How much is there? 11.4. Okay, 11.4. Next. They have given NCI here. Is it? They have given NCI. Profit attributable to NCI is how much? 91. This is the profit attributable. 9162. Okay, 9162. Closing balance is this. How much is that difference? Tell me. Which side is more? Which side is more? $31.52. $31.52. 12914 plus 11400 plus 9162 minus 3152. How much is there? 3324. 3324. 3334 is the cash paid as dividends. Okay, very, very important. Again, I will explain you these things. Okay, I will explain you these things. It comes to how much? 3324. Is that if you take the financing activities, what we have to mention in the financing activities, we have to say dividends paid. Dividends paid, working 5. Okay, working 5 in one of the columns. Is it 3324? 3324. Okay, again check one by one. We have taken all the totals or not. 4370, 1802, 5000, 12051. How much is the total about this? How much is the total? Only for this is the investing. It is the investing. This is the investing. How much is the total about this?
Um,
4370 minus 1802 plus 5
minus or plus 5,000?
minus 5. Purchase of butter, 5 million we have paid now.
Yes.
12051. How much is there?
14,483.
14,483. This is minus. Okay, this is minus. Next, how much is this one? 9600. 9600 minus 3324. 6276. This is financing activities. Are you clear about this?
Yes.